If you're still broke, it's not just bad luck. It's your daily habits, and some of them are low-level thinking. This is why you're still broke. This might offend you, but if you stay until the end, you'll understand exactly why your life isn't moving forward. Being broke isn't just about money, it's about mindset. Because the way you think controls the way you act, and your actions create your reality. 6 low-level habits keeping you broke. 1. Spending to impress people. Buying things you can't afford. To impress people who don't care. That's not success. That's insecurity. 2. Avoiding hard work. You want results but avoid effort. Easy choices create a hard life. 3. Blaming everything except yourself. The economy, your past, other people. Blame feels good, but it keeps you stuck. 4. No skill development. If you're not learning, you're losing. High income comes from high-value skills. 5. Constant distraction. Scrolling, entertainment, escaping reality. You can't build a future if you're always distracted. 6. Short-term thinking. You want quick money, fast results. But real success is built over time. Patience plus discipline equals to wealth. Look at your life honestly. If nothing changes, you'll be in the exact same position next year. Same income, same habits, same frustration. If this woke you up, like the video, comments, no more if you're done being broke. Subscribe, because we're building a smarter, stronger mindset here.